Good morning, guys. It's an early morning, and kicking off by first, I was boiling some noodles, which I've just went off, drain off in the sink, and then I'm going to start by cooking some garlic, some onions. I'll add in some spices from the noodles. I'm going to add in some soy sauce and some black pepper, and I'm going to add this to my noodles. And on a different pot, I'm going to add in some onions, some chopped garlic, and some sliced carrots. After which, I'm going to check on my sweet corn, which is already boiling at this point. I'm just mixing it up. And again, I'm going to get back to my carrots, give them a good mix. I'm going to add in my tomatoes and capsicum, green capsicum. I'm going to give this a good mix. And I'm giving every meal some time to cook before I add in my spices. I've just added in some curry powder and some garlic powder. I've also followed that with some red cabbage, sprinkled salt on those vegetables, and covered to let it cook. Then I'm going to kickstart again on a different pot by adding some butter and the sweet corn, which I've already taken out by now. I'm going to sprinkle some salt and some chili powder. I'm going to give this a good mix and set it aside for service. I'm going to also give that cabbage a mix once again to make sure everything is moving on swiftly. For the sausages, I've just added them in. These sausages, the secret to not having them bend, I always make sure that I make some incisions on the sausages, and also it's wise to also start cooking the sausages immediately before the oil heats up too much, so that you can cook some perfectly good and well fried sausages that are not bent or highly crispy. So from this video you can see how I've done that, and now I'm plating all the meals that I've prepared. So the sausages, the noodles, the corn, add some fruits that I had sliced up earlier, and the red cabbage, and that's my breakfast.